Andre, come here. Andre!
Is there a big boat? Is there a boat?
Is that a boat? That's not a boat. What is that?
Why is it on the roof? Cannot reach it.
Oh, what is that? What insect is that?
Look, that's a dragonfly.
What? What is that?
That's a dragonfly.
Wow, that's a dragonfly. Very good.
And the moth.
Moth? Wow. The other one, is there a butterfly?
Ooh, what's that? It's so pretty.
Oh.